Hey there, welcome everybody. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the character Mad Otis. Mad Otis was popular back in the 80s, and he sort of derived from the Hawaiian Tiki character. So to get started with, what we're going to do is we're going to draw two eyes. Okay, so just two circles there. We're going to use light lines. I'm going to go back through. I might even, erase some of this, come back in, darken up other parts of it. Once we have the eyes in place, we'll put the, iris and pupils. It's a little bit cross-eyed. Then we'll move down to the nose. Okay, so the nose is pretty simple. And this particular character has a nose ring. So we'll put that nose ring in there. Maybe we'll darken up the pupils a little bit. Something like this. The next step of the process is we're going to be adding in his eyebrow. Now, the way the eyebrow works is it's going to connect with a little line like that, and then a bigger one. So it's in here. We do the same thing over to the other side, something like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to raise up the eyebrow. Okay, so I've got this kind of rectangular edge there. Okay, and then next thing we'll do is we'll talk a little bit about the teeth. Whenever we're doing teeth, we always start in the middle and we design out. So I'm just going to put a light line here where the center of the mouth is going to be. Then create these sort of tombstone-shaped front teeth. And I'm going to put 3 on each side, like that. And next what we'll do is we'll connect down here from the eye socket. It goes in a little bit, then it veers out to the top of the lip. Okay, so we got something like that. And then we've got this mouth opening. Okay, it's going to look like this. And we're going to put the tongue in there. This character is always screaming or making some kind of exclamation. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add in the tonsils. Okay, so we've got something like this. I'm going to darken this in. That's where the throat opening is. And then like we did on the top, I'm going to bring in some teeth. Okay, so I make my symmetry line, and I'm going to put 3 out this way and 3 in the other direction. Okay, then what we'll do is we're going to make a little line outward and in. It'll be the bottom of the mouth. And we have a little bit of a butt chin. All right, next thing we do is we're going to add in the hair, the hat. We got just a real basic, we're going to, rather than using a straight line, we're going to use a curve. Okay, this is going to be sort of like a backwards baseball cap going on. Something like that. Just about done. We're going to put in the neck. We're going to use an ellipse here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a blank over the top of it. I'm going to trace it off and create my finished product. So there you go. That's Mad Otis. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you in the next video.